Hello everyone, this is AM Fayaz. I am studying in Amrita Amravati and my branch is CSC Core. Today I am going to tell you about one interesting topic. Some key features about success. Success, what we imagine is every day we think that we are doing that work we want to do. If we complete the task, if we keep going, doing, it will happen, but we will get success. But at the end, what we'll get, our mind will be only focusing on success, not the truthful of it. First, what we should do? First, in our mind, we should think that the effort. First, we should not think about the bloody hell point is outcome of an success. First, we should keep our efforts hard and powerfully. Then only it defines our character. If you work hard, sincerely and consistently and effectively, you will be winning like a gem. Don't think about success or failure. Whether it is success or failure, it's upon your own work. It matters. That's it. For some members, success may come in days, years, months, etc. For some persons, even the centuries going on, decades, 3 decades, 40, but won't come. What the problem? They are expecting outcome. They are not doing the work with interest, with full heartfulness, gratitude. What I expect is everyone should do the work really. Success will come. Definitely it will come. I will give you and bond also. Definitely it should come. It will arrive. When it will arrive? When you have no expectations on it, when you want to do it and when you have the desire to achieve it. At that time it will come. Don't be thinking like whether I can do, whether you can't do. Lose, fail. Nothing matters. Just keep going on. At one time you will reach the high. In that high, you should be able to control the everything. At that high, if you are not able to control everything will be collapsed. Final word: success is like a fruitfulness of your work with interest and diversity, integrity among you to have to achieve it. That's it, guys. One more last point I will tell you about success. One reference also I will give you. Karmanya vadikaraste mahaphaleshu kadachana. In that also same Mahabharata, so many Puranas also saying that we should not think about the outcome of a success, whether we will win or lose. That's it. It's God's matter and leave it. That destiny is something I won't care about that. First part I believe is do the work sincerely, effectively, follow a timetable, do the work regularly, don't miss it, be responsible to your work and dedicated towards your work, etc. That's it. Thank you, guys.